Hello, in this video I'll show you how to install an infant car seat and how to protect your leather seats in your car. As you can see, I have nice black leather seats and I use this cover. It's very nice. It even has pockets for storage for the kids, and I installed one on the back of the driver's seat as well. As you can see, the kids are you can see where the feet, where the shoes are touch the leather, and with this cover it doesn't. So it's very helpful if you want to keep your car looking great. It just hooks on back to the back of the headrest and even protects the back. And you can see there I have to clean it, but it already has protected the seat from there was a small spill. I'm going to install the base of the infant carrier. Just put it in position and then locate the anchor on your vehicle seat. You'll see the little circle tab there, and just put your finger in there and you could feel it's like a U hook, which is the anchor for this clip that comes with the carrier, with the base. So all you do is, once you locate the anchor, just push it in until you hear the click. And then hit it there that time. Once you get it, pull it back and make sure it's nice and secure. And then do the same step on the other side. I'm locating the anchor there. This one was a little bit harder. There was less space in there, and the anchor was kind of hidden. I'm just trying to push it in there. Like I said, just keep trying until you catch it and you hear the click, and then pull it back. Now you want to grab onto the belt and pull it, make it nice and tight. Make sure it's not going anywhere. Triple check this as well. After I'm done with the video, I'm going to just double check everything. You want to check this level. Make sure that the bubble is within range in the middle. If the seat angle is too high or too low, you'll get an angle that's not safe for the baby. Always ensure when you're putting back the carrier, ensure that this bubble is in range. This is a Britax B-safe. I like this carrier. It's very strong, very heavy. It has this nice little umbrella to shade the baby. So to install it, you just slide it down. You have to hear the click. There, it's not going anywhere. Then to release that gray lever, you just pull it back, pull it up, and the whole seat comes out, and the base remains in your car. Alright, if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.